So till now, how many days you've been in Ladakh?
6.5, 3 weeks maybe. Ladakh it looks like infinite space to explore, and it gives a huge sense of freedom. And after this, I'm going to have some hot baths in Pungao or something like that.
Yeah.
This hot water for hot springs, and then going to Tsumori.
Julie, welcome to Sokar. It has been the most beautiful places I've ever been to, and it's my first lake that I'm coming to in Ladakh. I'm really very happy.
I think when you are on road, there are no restrictions, you know. When we are in hostel, when we are in hotel, there are like few lot of things that we have to behave. Over here, we can we don't have to behave. We don't have to do certain things certain way. Just like we're just free, man. It's like completely insane. And the sun is burning. Archo is making some bread omelette for us, and then we're gonna head towards Puga. छोटा सिंटेक्स, छोटा वॉश बेसिन. कम से कम पानी यूज़ कीजिए और सुंदर हिमालय गानों का मज़े लीजिए. वो देख रहे हैं हमारे फ्रेंच बंदे को जो पीछे था हमारे, कितना खुश है, कितना खुश. So this is Pokolonga Pass, and this connects Sokar and Somori. Not that high altitude, 16,000 feet, but it feels good because this is like a vast plain kind of a thing. And yeah, this is this beautiful pass over here. It's such a funny thing because
of the sunlight.
I met this bald dude in that restaurant, and now we are riding together. So he keeps crashing over here. Look at him. He just hijacked the entire road over here. He's not let anyone passing over here, and he's like, you have to pay toll to go to the next destination.
Or eventually you can go naked, and that prevents you from giving toll.
Sadly, I'm not able to find where the pools are. I mean, where we can take bath. The entire place, if you see, is covered with salt. Yeah, because this is sulfur water. This is not just like normal spring water, but this is sulfur hot water, and this water is insanely boiling, man. And if you could just see like just the entire place is white. It's like the smaller version, mountainous version of Rann of Kutch in Gujarat.
नमक है, नमकीन है.
नमक स्वाद अनुसार औकात
अकड़ अनुसार. अकड़ औकात अनुसार. And you promised me a shower, man. I haven't showered from last 4 days. You have to find a spot for me so I can take a shower. देखो अभी for now it's not touching the silencer, so I think it would work for you, man. Until you get back to Leon to the village.
Yeah. Oh no.
what happened. This is the
You know,
real-
this bike is actually a piece of shit. It's not as fun as it looks like. Better rent a good, proper off-road bike if you're coming here, because this looks cool, but after a few shocks, it's a piece of shit.
You promised me to take a shower in the river. Where's the river? Show to the people, where's the river?
Most probably, first I will shower in this kind of pools there, and then some coffee, and then go back to Leh and change bike and see how it goes.
How is the bathroom?
Bathroom is like really amazing, man. You should come in here.
There's a jacuzzi,
Yummy,
sauna.
it's so aromatic. And you know I love you.
Never forget that. It's the
Hello.
most important thing in life. I love you.
So what's the plan of taking a bath? Cancel?
Cancel. I'm gonna cook some coffee and have some coffee.
Brew some coffee, motherfucker. Brew some coffee. So we just parked our car on a surface that I'm not sure about that it's gonna get out or not. And this lake is not Soka Lake, it's Sisposlis Lake, which is just fresh water basically. It doesn't have salt. Soka is just like some 500 meters differentiating from a salt patch, and like see the way we're just walking on sand. This is the Soka Lake, and if you haven't been to Rann of Kutch in Gujarat, I mean this can be an added bonus because we have 16,000 feet mountain, we have saltwater lake, we have salt, we have every sort of thing that I mean I have been to Ladakh like more than 20 times over, but I haven't been over here, and this place is wow because it's like just phenomenal. And next time when you come to Ladakh, don't bypass Soka and go to Somodhi. Stay over here, walk a bit, move that ass of yours, you know, and be active. Come see what's happening over here.
इधर पूरा गीला है, दलदल है. आप मेरे फुटस्टेप्स देख सकते हैं. अगर आप 1 सेकंड 2 सेकंड एक जगह खड़े होते तो आप अंदर घुसने चालू हो जाते.
ये पुल का ना जाने की
इसमें से पतंजलि की खुशबू आ रही है. मैंने अपने फेस वॉश से धोया था.
So we're at Mudar Plains and 15,765 feet. This place is called Mudar Plains for a reason, okay? It's because it's flat land, and the fun of Mudar Plains is not on the main road. It's on the left hand side, bro. Today we decided to camp at Mudar Plains, and it might be one of the most stupidest decision, but also might be one of the best decision because I think the night sky gonna be very clear, and this place has been abandoned, fuck my English, have been abandoned by the shepherds, and यहाँ पे है पानी, यहाँ पे है मकान, और यहाँ पे हैं हम. आज हम दोनों अलग अलग सोएंगे. इसका रीज़न मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता, बट बदबू से रिलेटेड कुछ है तो आप समझ जाइए. एंड नाउ वंस दिस इज़ डन वी गोना स्टार्ट. एक्चुअली आज रात को एक मूवी शो हमने टिकट बाई किया था PVR में. ये बगल में हमारा PVR है यहाँ पे, या मूवी देखने जाने वाले हैं. मूवी वाइल्ड है तो शायद पॉपकॉर्न भी हमारे पास, तो पॉपकॉर्न खाते खाते मूवी कुछ देखेंगे, चिल करेंगे. सो आज की रात मुदर प्लेन्स के नाम. रात को आपसे हम किचन में मिलते हैं. किचन में. अरे अरे आइए आइए, वेलकम। सॉरी आपको थोड़ा बुलाना हम भूल गए। दिस इज़ होम स्वीट होम इन मुदे प्लेन्स। ये हमारा 5 स्टार क्यूजीन, थाई क्यूजीन, जो भी आप बोलें। रात को हम थाई नूडल्स विथ चिकन, चॉप चिकन बना रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा। एंड यहाँ पे हमारे पास, इसको देख के आप जलिए मत, ठीक है, बिकॉज इसके लिए हम बहुत मेहनत करके इस जगह पे आए हैं। बिकॉज यहाँ पे बाहर ब्राउन बियर्स होते हैं, भालू होते हैं। 2015 में 2 ट्रैकर्स यहाँ पे रुके थे, उनको भालू जिंदा खा गया, जिंदा। ये शक्ल आप देख रहे हैं, इधर ये शक्ल देख रहे हैं आप, ये शक्ल। अगर ये शक्ल वापस ना देखे आप तो हमारे प्लीज़ पेरेंट्स को अब इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिएगा कि यहाँ पे इनटू द वाइल्ड करते हुए ये 2 अलेक्जेंडर सुपर ट्रैम्प मारे गए थे। और बस खुदा खास्ता रात को हम चिल करेंगे, मूवी भी देखेंगे, स्टार्स वगैरह दिखाएंगे आपको। दिस इज
दुविधा के लिए खेद है,
दुविधा के लिए खेद है। बाकी बख्शीश, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, लाइक, जो भी यूट्यूबर पे बोलते हैं, वैसे तो यूट्यूबर हूँ नहीं मैं। थोड़ा आग वाग जला के